The horsepower war between America's biggest performance trucks just got even crazier. Ram recently shocked everyone by revealing its 777 horsepower V8-powered Halo truck, but Shelby wasn't about to let Ford fall behind. Welcome to Future Wheels, and today we're looking at the all-new Shelby F-150 Super Snake, a pickup that's officially raising the bar. Shelby has taken the legendary Ford F-150 and transformed it into an absolute monster. Under the hood is a supercharged 5.0-liter V8, pumping out a staggering 810 horsepower, making it even more powerful than Ram's latest flagship. Power is sent through a 10-speed automatic transmission, giving this truck incredible straight-line performance while still retaining four-wheel drive capability.
But this truck isn't just about brute force. Shelby has upgraded the suspension with premium performance components, fitted aggressive 22-inch wheels wrapped in 35-inch all-terrain tires, and added larger performance brakes to help control all that power. Visually, it's impossible to miss thanks to its functional Ram air hood, bold Shelby graphics, custom grille, widened fenders, and exclusive 10th anniversary badging. Inside, the cabin receives premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber style trim, Shelby-branded floor mats, racing pedals, and a serialized plaque reminding owners they're driving something truly exclusive. And exclusivity is a big part of the appeal, because Shelby will build only 600 examples, each individually numbered for collectors.
Of course, all this performance comes at a price. The Shelby F-150 Super Snake starts at around $140,000, making it one of the most expensive and most powerful performance pickups you can buy today. So, what do you think? Would you choose the 810 horsepower Shelby F-150 Super Snake, or does Ram's 777 horsepower performance truck still win your vote? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching Future Wheels.